Okay, we're just gonna go over the DXY and probably gold or EU, and then we should be good for the week. But I'll be looking to get on that AJ trade though. Looks really good. So DXY, as you guys know, I always start my analysis on the monthly time frame, right? And I always tell you guys, if you're trading any pairs that got USD in front of them or USD at the end, you definitely need to analyze your DXY, right? Because the minute you know the DXY is bullish, all you got to do is, if you're trading USDCad, the USDCad should be bullish as well. If you're trading EU, and you should know EU moves the opposite way, it should be bearish, right? So the minute you get the DXY right, you went from 50% to 80% of chances of you winning the trade, right? So monthly time frame, look at my support level right here, right? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As you guys can see, the market definitely cannot break below 100.601. Every time it comes to that level, reacts, went up, reacts, went up, reacts, went up. So that's definitely a good support level, right? So I'm going to place one right here as well. So this is where the market is currently at. I'm trying to get as many touches as possible, man. So this is where the market is currently at, right? Then I'm going to place one here as well. So that's all you have to do in the monthly time frame, right? Just your key levels only, right? Weekly time frame, reject, and dropped. Right now it's currently, and that's the zone Rika was talking about, right? Because if it breaks below 104.188, the DXY is definitely going to melt, right? But as of right now, it's currently rejecting it, so it's looking 50-50, right? But I definitely would love to see the DXY breaks below 104 area, right? Okay, now this is a daily time frame, right? Daily time frame, you guys know what to do in the daily time frame. Look for the trend, right? Obviously, if you zoom out, right, you can see the DXY is currently trending up, right? It's like overall uptrend, right? But the current trend right now is actually like I'm seeing a break and a retest of the uptrend, right? The overall trend, obviously, if you zoom all the way out, right? Actually, the overall trend is even bearish. If you're looking at the DXY from here, right? The overall trend is bearish, right? But yet again, we're not trying to catch all that, right? All this move, right? So we're just gonna focus on what's happening right now. That's what we need, right? So this is where the DXY is at. If you grab your trend line, right, from the low, right, and drag it all the way up. And this is what I was showing you guys earlier, right? The DXY was trending up for a long time. Let's go into the weekly time frame to see, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 weeks, right? It's been going up. And then the DXY finally broke below the trend. If you go into the H4 time frame, you can see the retest, right? Broke below, right? Retest, went up. Reject, went up, reject, went up. And finally broke below the trend. And this is what you guys need to pay attention to, right? Broke below it, and it also gave you a retest, and then it dropped, right? But yet again, yes, the DXY did break the downtrend, but the DXY haven't broken structure yet, right? Because what we need for the DXY to do is to also go below 104.188, right? So this is where it's at. Daily time frame, very nice, right? Got the low, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and the DXY finally broke below the downtrend, and now it's currently trending down, but it's still looking 50-50, right? Because we needed to go below that area to give us something like this, right? Below it, right? Retest right here. And then definitely going to need it to drop down, right? So if the DXY actually gives us this move right here, so we'll know for a fact that gold, EU, GU, and AU should be going up, right? Because they all move the opposite, right? They will know that UC, UJ should be going down, right? And the reason UJ and UC is going down right now is because the DXY is currently trending down. I guarantee you guys, if you go take a look at UC and UJ right now, you'll see the DXY is going down for sure, right? And then, I'm sorry, you see the UJ and UC is going down, and EU and GU and AU should be going up, right? Because the DXY is currently trending down, right? But there's nothing much we can do in the DXY, right? So we just have to wait for Sunday for the market to actually break below 104. and then we should be good to go. And also, if we can get a nice retest at that level right here, this is a decent support level, right? Right? Reject, 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 went all the way up, finally broke below it, you know, and the DXY can give us something like this as well, right? This, right? That, right? This. Like the reason I'm seeing the DXY doing this is because the DXY was trading up for 8 weeks, man. 8 weeks is a long time, and finally broke below it. We tested it, and now it dropped, right? So that's the first confluence that the DXY might be bearish, right? Because the it's no longer like, because we love trading with the trend, right? Because if the market breaks below, we test the trend, it is a downtrend, right? So now all we have to do is for the DXY to break below structure, and then we should be good to go on a sell, right? But that's really all when it comes to the DXY. There's nothing much that we can do. If you want as well, you can also place your key structures as well, right? Do this, get the low right here, right? It's very choppy a little bit, but place it here, right? You got the higher low right here. Sorry, you got the higher high, got the higher low here. And then the market went all the way up to give you a higher high, right? And then we needed to break below this area right here, right? Then we should be good to go. And also a retest at 105.257. But the thing is, EU and gold are giving me so many confluences for it to be bullish. So that's why I'm going with the DXY being bearish right now, right? Obviously, we needed to break below this area, but the fact that the DXY managed to break below the trend, that's a big confluence that it might keep going down, right?